Hello, my dear. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making pork liver steak. Chinese cuisine demands knife skills and expects different ingredients to be cut in unique ways according to their textures. Knife skills are considered essential when judging the level of cooking skills of Chinese chefs. I'm not a chef, but a foodie. Today, let me introduce an easy to follow knife skill, which, as you guessed, I learned from my mom. The demanding ingredient is pork liver. Pork liver is a nutrient dense superfood which is especially rich in iron, vitamin A and B, hence good for the eyes and hair, you name it. However, it is a bit challenging to cook due to its bloody smell and special texture. With a few special tricks I'm sharing with you, including the knife skills, I hope you will love this nutritious ingredient. Let's begin. First, we'll chop the red and green peppers. I always remove the membranes and seeds to make the pepper less hot. Then cut the pepper into about 1 centimeter long pieces. And same for the red pepper. Then we'll cut the liver. First, we'll divide the liver into 1 inch wide. Then slice it into about 3 to 4 millimeter thick slices. For each slice, we'll make knurls. Basically, we generally slice several parallel lines, but do not cut through so the liver slice stays as one piece. We then rotate the slice by 90 degrees and slice several lines which are perpendicular to the lines we cut previously. Still make sure do not cut through the tissue. Now this is the final product. The little knurls we created will absorb the seasoning and heat easily such that we can reduce the bloody smell and keep the tenderness of the liver. Then we're going to rinse the liver slices in cold water several times until the water stays clear. Make sure you handle the slice gently and softly to avoid breaking them into pieces. Drain the water out, sprinkle some salt and cooking wine. I just want to show you one more time of the knurls. Soak for 10 minutes. Next, we'll drain the water, add starch, mix well. And set aside. In a little bowl, add 1 teaspoon starch, light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon water. Mix and set aside. In a container with boiled water, put the liver slices in. Make sure to separate the slices. Bring it to a boil. And take the liver out. Soak into cold water. Rinse and drain the water. Set aside for use later. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil, then the red and green chili peppers. Stir fry for about 2 minutes Add a teaspoon of dark rice vinegar. Keep stirring until the pepper gets soft. Shovel them out for use later. Add 2 more tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan. Throw in the sliced garlic and minced ginger. Fry until they turn light yellow. Put the liver in. You may see some leftover liquid in the container, throw it away. The drier the liver, the better will be. Quickly stir fry. Sprinkle some salt. Then starch mixture. Mix well until no more blood coming out of the liver. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Absolutely do not overcook. Otherwise the liver could taste like rubber. Now add the red and green chili peppers back in. Stir several times quickly and turn off the heat. Add a pinch of sugar. Mix. And the dish is ready to serve. Tender, juicy, savory, and a bit spicy. It goes well with a cup of rice, steamed buns, and bread too. Well, it's good to have you. I hope you enjoyed this episode and check out the other videos in my channel. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.